Good morning, folks. This is a video from yesterday. Took a ride to the grocery store like I do and back, and all I do is bitch about traffic, trolls, and city workers. Enjoy. Good times. I think I'm losing my voice. I still have the overpass shut down. Got all the big trucks coming through this way, which used to be the main route for everybody coming through Wichita. You can imagine the business that stopped when they built this overpass, and everybody bypasses everything down here now. Look at all these trucks. I guess that's why they built the overpass. One way on this side and one way behind me. One going north, one going south. Or east and west, whichever way you want to look at it. The ones in front of me now are going north, as far as I'm concerned. I'm going northeast. They're going north. At least that's what my mirror on my rearview mirror says. I'm going northeast, and they say it's 65 degrees out. It's a cool day today. We had a 10-minute downpour last night. A little thunder, a little lightning, and it just stopped. Quit completely. Wait one more day and I can get out and mow my lawn again. Seems like I mow my lawn and it rains the same day and it grows right back up again. So I wait as long as possible. My lawnmower's about 30 years old, so I don't want to wear it out, firing it up 2 or 3 times a week. It's been pretty reliable, I can't complain. Old Craftsman ride lawnmower, 16 horse. Briggs and Stratton. Jesus Christ, there's about 7 squirrels running across the street over there. You missed them. They're in a pack. There's a herd of them. Herd of squirrels. I ain't never seen them all that many together before. That's crazy. I did dismiss a frauditor from my latest video I put out this morning. He was in there trolling the chat, saying what a great guy, what's that guy I did the video on, Great Lakes Audits was, how all his charges were dismissed. Well, he just got charged Friday. They ain't got dismissed yet. He ain't gone to court. He kept making stupid comments, said I was ignorant and stuff. A lot of channels let these fools run rampant on their channels. I do not. I get rid of them. I don't care. I don't want to have a conversation with them. You can't have a conversation with them. All I do is want to stir up some shit, so I just get rid of them. Very non-stressful. If they're gone, I ain't gonna listen to their bullshit. And I won't listen to it. I have no interest in giving them a platform to express themselves on. I don't understand why other channels just let them run all over the chat, abusing their subscribers. I don't get that at all. You know, I'm not a First Amendment frauditor, so I could give a shit less. For sanity's sake, I just remove them. I hide them from the channel. Period. That's it. They can start their stock accounts and jump right back on again, but I'll get them again because they always act exactly the same way. They always say the exact same things over and over again. It just gets old and boring. Life goes on very well without them. Sure, it hasn't hurt my subscriber count a bit, getting rid of them. I've probably gotten rid of maybe 2 dozen of them so far. They're just not allowed on my channel at all for any reason. I don't want to debate them. I don't want to converse with them. I don't want to exchange insults with them. They can just stay in their little bubble and do what they do. Because they're all going to be gone before you know it. They'll get some strict enough laws passed against what they're doing to just put them out of business. Hopefully the fines and the jail time will be so horrendous that they just say, well, we'll find something else to do. But we know better because they're stupid. And they'll just keep doing what they do, no matter what the consequences are. Because, like I said, they're stupid. And since my channel is not a free speech advocate site, I do what I want. It's my channel. I can do what I want. Don't abuse my subscribers. Don't start calling them names and trolling the chat. You will be removed. Because there is no good side to the other side. Anyway, that's enough about that. I gotta remember to put that SD card back in my dash cam. Can't believe I forgot to put it in. I took it out to see how good of an images it took and how good the video was, and it works well. Pictures are crystal clear. The pictures are clearer than my mind most of the time. I gotta pick up some gas for the lawnmower too. I can do my front and backyard twice before I run out of gas, and I've already done it twice. So I better gear up and put some more fuel in it. Which I'll have to air up all the tires again. If I let it sit for a week, all the tires go flat. I've tried everything to keep them inflated besides putting inner tubes in them. That'll be next. Just put inner tubes in them so they don't keep leaking off. Well, it's got 30-year-old tires on it too. I guess they should, it's alright for them to leak once in a while. Losing my voice, I'm telling you. That would put me out of business. Here we are at the grocery store once again. So far we made it successfully. That's where I'll be getting gas right here when I leave the store. This part of the store chain gas is a little cheaper. It's gone down about 20 cents in the last couple of months. Okay, there, lady. I think she was going to try to sneak into my spot here, but she failed. She's a failure. I got it. I'll be back. Okay, I got about 3/4 of a gallon of gas. Shopping's all done. Now back to the ranch. Back to the compound. Fill up the lawnmower. Tear up the tires on that lawnmower this afternoon, and I'll do the tires tomorrow if it isn't going to rain again. Well, with my luck, it's probably going to rain tomorrow. Thought there was like a 70% chance of it. I don't know. I'll have to look. Let's just take a quick look. 70% chance of rain tomorrow. Hell, it may be Thursday before I get to it. I ain't waiting that long. People here in town think this is a racetrack or something. They You gotta go over the speed limit 10 miles an hour right downtown here so they can get somewhere in a hurry. Because they leave late. Hey buddy, you're on the wrong side of the road. You ever notice that? You're going the wrong way there, dumbass. Good Lord. Fucking people are stupid. Oh well, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Time to get over in this lane. They're still working on this deal down here. You can't take a right on that street, so you kind of got to be in the right lane, or you get stuck there until somebody feels like letting you go by, which almost never happens around here. People around here are rude. Rude. Lady, you can't... Jesus Christ, lady. Pay attention. Walking out in the road when the light just turned green. Goddamn fool. Even got a little hand up over there on the light pole. Do not cross. Oh my. The aggravation of it all. I'm just fortunate I don't have any big problems going on in my life. The worst thing I got to worry about is bad drivers and pedestrians who don't know how to cross the road. I guess I'm pretty well off, ain't I? I reckon so. I got a couple more bags of bird seed. Can't feed them birds. They will attack me if I don't feed them. They're out there every morning, hundreds of them just waiting for me. And they do. I'll open the door, they'll all fly away. I'll throw out the bird seed and then they all attack. Oop. I've got to stop doing that. My dash is slippery. Start slowing down too quick and they everything slides down. Yep, just jump right out there, right in front of that car. That's alright, they don't mind. That's why I always have a camera on when I'm driving, in case one of these idiots tags me. I'm sure they will one of these days. Oh yeah, I got eggs, I got bird food, I got bananas. I'm starting to get cramps in my calves. And I don't have enough potassium in my system. I've been eating tomatoes pretty regular. I try to stay healthy. Try to eat healthy food once in a while. Every time I make me a big old greasy cheeseburger, I slice up a tomato and put about 4 slices on it. That's an all-around meal, a cheeseburger with tomatoes on it. I've got some onions. I like fried onions, I love them. I got some pre-cooked but cold fried chicken, breaded chicken. That'll last me about 4 days. I cook a couple pieces every day for about 4 days. Have it for lunch. I love chicken. It's my favorite food, I think, in the world is fried chicken. Pretty much. Pork loin roast, that's right up there as one of the better ones. Pork is good. Unless you're of a religion that can't eat pork, then I feel bad for you. Because they don't eat what they consider filthy animal meat, like a pig. They're filthy on the outside, not on the inside. They slop around in the muck. You're not eating the outside. You just wash them real good, and then they're clean animals. The hell? The hell, Karen? Here we go again. I'm going to try to beat it to that next light before it turns right on me, because it does every time. I'm going to accelerate rapidly. Got to hang on to my camera When I go, I'm going. Well, this guy's behind me pulled up halfway in the road. Let me pull up out into traffic to accommodate him so he don't block the whole frickin' road up. What a wingnut. All the trucks. All the trucks going on here. I will make it to that light before it turns red. It'll turn green here about the same time this one does. Before I get to it, it'll turn red on me again. I guarantee it. Does it every frickin' time. I think I made it once. If I was on my bike, which I don't have anymore, I could get down there in plenty of time. Just hit that throttle and I'm making a left-hand turn down there. I can't do that in this. This thing weighs 4,000 pounds, so. Alright, let me see if I can catch a green light. It'll turn green here in a second. So you gonna make a liar out of me now? Look at that, made a liar out of me. Didn't even turn green. What the hell? They must have changed it somehow. They have changed the settings on it. That is unacceptable. Here we go. Come on, come on. It doesn't stay green for long, so you gotta get after it. And it just turned red again. I didn't have to wait too long. Long enough. If you're going straight, get in the left lane. I could have been halfway home by now if you hadn't gotten right in front of me, dumbass. I'm kind of cranky when I'm out in public. That's why I stay home. Don't get in trouble at home. I can bitch at Fred, he don't care. He don't say nothing. He loves me anyway. There's always a bunch of stuff down here and never no workers going on. I don't know what they're doing. Digging up the roads and not working on them, I guess. Been at it for 2 weeks. I ain't seen a person out there yet. Seen a lot of trucks and heavy equipment, but no people. Must be a city job. Hey, anyways, I'm home. Y'all have a good day now. Maybe I'll put the mower cam on for tomorrow.